What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the next video in learning Bootstrap. My name is QDS Danny and you guys watching my channel Wood. Alright, so in the previous video we have created our user review and we have created our login register. So as you guys notice, and you guys also notice that we have used the extension .php, and I'm going to tell you guys why we have done that. So if you guys go back and we go to login, we have done login.php. Alright, so as we getting closer and closer to the forms, so far I haven't mentioned PHP. We have only done HTML. So as we're getting closer to the forms, I'm gonna let you guys know that if you guys want to do your form, you guys need to do the forms with the PHP, because we're gonna connect to our database. And in the next video I'm going to tell you guys what is database, what the heck is this database, if you guys hear it for the first time. Alright, so we're going to do our first name and last name, and we're going to come here and we see our review. This is a user review, and you guys notice that that's the first bit of the first part. And if you come down here, that's our footer. And if you guys come here, it says first name, and if you guys come here, it says panel body. You put it in panel, and there is a form here, and there is an action. I'm going to tell you guys soon in the future videos what actions is. I don't want to confuse you now. Alright, so if you guys go ahead and copy everything with Control A and Control C for copy, we come in here, our registration, and the registration is, if you guys notice, if we go here and press our register, and there is nothing here because we have removed everything. So if you paste to register.php, and we're gonna come here, you're gonna see everything, whatever in review, even though we are using register.php. But if you go back, we are here at the user review.html. So why there is no change between the user HTML and PHP? If you guys look at here, we are still using the review page. So if you come here at the register, and if you go here on top, say please write your review as that one there, and we put please register. Please register, please sign up, for example. As you guys can see on many websites, register or sign up, it's the same. So when you come here, it says please sign up. Even though we are in PHP, I'm just, if you guys don't know about PHP is server-side language. We have to connect to our database, where the data comes from. When you guys go into YouTube, the first thing you guys go, if you are new to YouTube, you sign up. Yeah. So if you are new to Google or search, the first, that's the entry. This is your entry point. If you sign up, you become a user. So, and after that, the website asks you about your first name, last name, email. It's up to you guys. You want to put it correctly or incorrectly. In my case, I always put XYZ ABC. I never put my real name. You guys never do your real name, because you don't want to trust this creepy websites holders. It's called Facebook and Twitter and blah blah blah, because they're just normal programmers like us. And just you guys can put your email, and with the email you guys needs it, because if you're using Google or something. But if you guys want to going on any of this social media, it's up to you guys. I'll never put my real name. I just put some creepy name, ABC XYZ. You guys can put like that names, but that's up to you guys. If you guys trust them, by all means. But I'm going to show you guys soon how easy is that to create a social media. And you guys say, wow, why this it's not like a rocket science. It's just easy peasy. You guys can do that. You guys can create your own websites. So you guys can whatever if one person can does that, another person can do the same, if you guys put your attention and dedication. Alright, so we're gonna go and finish this registration, then we're gonna go on the login, and we're gonna finish the login page. Alright, so we come here, it says please sign up, and then we do the same on the login page. and we're going to remove this. We're going to put everything there, but instead of this review, we go on top, and to make our job easy, we just put a please login. Okay, why I have done this review, I have copied everything and I put in register and login, because as you guys know, all of them's got one thing in common, which is form. So I'm coming here, this guy here, the form, action page.php. So all of them's got something in common, which is page. Alright, so in the register, we go in and we say first name and last name, email, password, and where it says the comments, we're going to remove these comments because we don't need this comment. And then when it says password, you guys copy that and put it down, and it says password, you put just retype password, that's it. And it says password is password, and this is password 1, type is password name is password 1 and password 2, password 1 and password 2, because we're going to compare the two password, the compare strings. So enter your password, enter your confirm, retype your password. All right, simple as that. So when you guys come here on your registration, and you guys see here your first name, your last name, enter your email, your password, and retype the password. So we have a password and we have a retype the password. You guys can put anything else, your date of birth, your country, whatever, but the basic one is your first name, last name, your email. Or some website you see the username, that's it. They just put a username, they don't put a first name and last name. So I'm going to show you guys the username as well, what is the username, but we're going to go like this template. We're going to just easy, and the login, just your needs your email, password, or username. So we're going to add another here, another one which says email. We're going to add one more, and it says username. You say, wow, that was easy peasy. Yes, it is easy peasy, it's not rocket science. It says type text, type is text for username, oops, username. Okay, at the label you guys always put use username. I have a typo here, I'm gonna correct it. It says text and name is username. Alright, form control ID is username, and enter your username. Enter username, because username, we just put a username. Alright, so in the future videos we're gonna go and see if this username is available. We're gonna see our database, but because if you don't know, guys don't know the database, so it means you guys don't know that one as well. So we're going to check again. Alright, so if you guys look at here, it looks awesome. First name, last name, username, email, password, retype password. If you guys look at the responsiveness, it responsive, is beautiful. It means you can do we can use it on mobile phones. So we're going to go ahead in our login, and we're going to open our login now instead of registration. You guys look at here is login, so we go on a login, and because we finished the registration, login please. The first name, we don't need the first name and last name because of the login. You guys don't need the first name and last name. All right, and this at the login we need an email, we need a password, and comment we don't need. But if you guys look at here, we have another thing common, which is a form. So you guys saw the form 3 times. There's a form here, there's a form here, and there is a form on top there. Yes. Alright, so we are here at the login. So you guys see your email and password, because with the login you guys don't need the all you guys need is email and password. But with the one more, sometime you guys see this username with the username. That's it. So I'm gonna go here, I'm gonna put a username. That's it. Easy peasy. There is a username, email, password. So it looks like our website has completed. If you guys look at here, so we have created the body of the website, the front, the top, the header. There is a footer here, and our product, the footer is here. And you guys look at here that we got now, instead of, we haven't got a product, but we have a login and we have a register. So you guys look at here, we have a login, register. We're gonna do this one in future videos. I'm gonna show you guys how to create the product, but look at here, we have a login and register, because we want to let the user log in our website, and we're gonna move from there. All right, so with this one, I'm gonna show you guys the first. So if you guys go here, register, because I have a little bit time, and I'm going to show you guys in your register the first part of the PHP. If you guys don't know, the PHP is the server we need the PHP with the form. So if you guys don't know, we're using a form and we're using the PHP. It means we need the PHP to work behind the scenes for the server side. So because all the websites are just like server side, so we put a PHP. That's it. And if you guys notice, I'm gonna put it before this doc types, because PHP is a preprocessor. You guys always put it on top, and you guys can embed the PHP anywhere you guys like. Alright, so in this video I'm gonna assign something to the PHP, and I'm gonna type, say, echo hello to everyone. Hello to everyone. Okay. And you guys notice that hello to everyone has appeared here. So, and even before this header. So, and if you guys go and check your page, you're going to see your body. You see that hello here, but you don't see, guys don't see the PHP. So you guys don't see the PHP, but you see the hello, because the PHP is the server side. As I said before, you guys you don't need to, if you guys say you can bring your PHP. Okay, so now we want to put our PHP somewhere else. So you guys want to do this, I'm gonna come here, say here, and we want to put your PHP here, say here. Okay, so we put our PHP there, and you guys look at here, it pops up here. And when we do our check behind the scenes, behind the page, you guys look at here, hello everyone, but you guys don't see any PHP tag, even though our code's got a PHP. That's what this ghost language is, like electricity. You guys don't see it. You guys, it's like a fax machine. It fax, but you don't see the words. You guys like radio button. It's like you can hear the noises, but you can't see the noise itself. It's like it's a server-side language. Even though the programmer can see it, the programmer can put anywhere the PHP, but user can't see it. That's the beauty of the PHP, and that's what the tricks of the PHP is. The more you guys advance in a PHP, the better programs you guys can make, and the more if you guys got a good control over PHP, you guys can create any sort of the application, anything. You guys can even challenge the Facebook and Twitter. Alright, so we have displayed hello everyone. You guys can even do this. Please sign up. You guys can display in PHP. Alright, so you can even put your tag inside the PHP. Say you guys can put it here, and you guys can put a header 4 inside this echo. And if you guys come here, header 4 inside this echo, even though we are here in Bootstrap, but we can embed. This is called embedding language. We can look at here, and now this is header 4. We didn't put any our HTML, our Bootstrap here, but all we did is that we put this h4 or h1 inside the PHP tag, and that's what it showed up. Okay, so if you guys want to do full scale PHP, you guys always need to put it on top. If you only want to do work on the PHP on the engine, but if you from time to time we're gonna put it, our PHP we're gonna put in any part of this code, and that's fine. HTML is gonna read this PHP as okay, as no problem. So, and has HTML treats this as is one of their own family members. So you guys don't worry that if you guys don't panic that you guys put a PHP and the HTML is going to give you error. No, HTML is never going to give you error with PHP. You guys can put anywhere, but as long as there's opening tag and there's closing tag. So you guys make sure you open your tag and you always close your tag. If you guys look at here, we have put our hello to everyone here, and hello to everyone is shown up, even though we didn't put any PHP. Our PHP is not showing. So if you guys know that we have put it on top too, our PHP, that's all, by all means is okay, because we need to, in PHP you guys need to start your session, and you need to add your session. You guys can put a PHP anywhere, and PHP is the networking and embedded language. Alright guys, that's it for this video. If you guys like the video, thumbs up. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video, and soon we're going to start our lessons with we're going to discuss in the future videos about the PHP, and we're going to discuss about the database. So prepare yourself for learning PHP, and happy coding, and I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.